Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python string functions, swapcase, title, upper, zfill, and rpartition. So first of all, what are strings in Python? So string is nothing but collection of any characters. So the technical definition goes like this: collection of characters represented in single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. For example, we can take hello in single quotes, welcome to Python in double quotes, and we can also take multi-line string in triple quotes. So now coming to string indexes. For each and every character in a string, we have indexes. For example, SS is hello, HELLO. So the indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is left to right. And it also provides negative indexes from right to left, which is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. And we can access individual characters of a string using indexes and slice operator, which is square brackets. For example, SS of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, SS of -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. So now I'm coming to swap case. So swap case, it will convert the string case of all the characters upper to lower and lower to upper, vice versa. Coming to title, it will give, okay, title case. Okay, so it will give titled case of a string. So titled case means only first character is upper and remaining all are in lower case. Next, coming to upper, it will convert the string completely into uppercase block letters. Next, coming to zfill, so it will fill with zeros on left side of a given string with a total width provided. We'll see that in the program. Next, rpartition, it will split given string from right side with a given separator, and it will give a tuple, and these tuple contains 3 strings. We'll see that in the program. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python string functions example 10. So take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. So I'm taking SS equals to hello to students. So print SS dot swapcase. So let us put multi-line comment. Okay. So H will be converted to lowercase, S will be converted to uppercase, remaining lowercase, and remaining all uppercase. Swap case. So let us run this from the command prompt. So py Python string functions example 10. So H in lowercase, S in lowercase, remaining all are in uppercase. Okay. Right. So next, SS hello world. So I'll say SS dot title. Okay. Similarly, SS hello space world. So here also I'll say it as SS dot title. Okay. Here I'll take this as completely hello world. Okay. Right. So save this program. So title case means only first letter will be capital. So hello world is a single word, only H is capital. Hello space world are 2 words, H capital, W capital. So next, SS equals to hello world, hello space world, SS dot upper. So it will convert completely into uppercase. Hello space world. Okay. Right. So next, coming to zfill, it will fill with zeros on the left side for our given string hello. So ss.zfill, total number of characters will be 10. Similarly, ss.zfill 20. So fill with zeros on the left side, making total number of characters. So 5 zeros, hello, 15 zeros followed by hello. So next coming to rpartition. Okay, so partitioning from the right side. Hello comma, welcome to Python strings, Python string comma by to all. So ss.rpartition comma. So the rpartition comma is still here. So this is the string which has been splitted, and it will also display comma string, which is the partitioning string or splitting string, and it will display the remaining string. So let us check it out here. It returns a tuple. So hello comma, welcome to Python. So this is one string in a tuple. Next, comma is another string in the tuple, which is the partitioning string or splitting string by to all. So this is the first partitioned or splitted string. So next coming to ss.rpartition space. So with respect to space from the right side, it will split the string. So from the right side, whenever it is splitting, all. So this is the partition or splitted string from R partition, right side. So this is one string, and then space is the splitting or partitioning string, and remaining string is this in the tuple. So it will return 3 strings in a tuple. Next, ss.partition with respect to string. So string, collection of characters, is the partitioning string. So before that we have hello welcome to Python space, and after that we have comma space by to all. Next, and. So and is the partitioning string which is not available. So when it is not available, it will just return empty partitioning or splitting string. Before that we don't have anything. After that it will take completely our original string. So when splitting or partitioning string is not available, this is the special case. So this is how we are supposed to work with string functions: swap case, title, upper, zfill, and rpartition. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.